Here is a big list of daily use English sentences for beginners. Simple, practical, and easy to speak. You can practice 10 to 15 minutes per day. In this video, I'm gonna give you hundreds of daily useful sentences. Those gonna be very easy and useful. Each sentence consists of 4 to 5 words. That's why it's very easy. If you're thinking that's gonna be very hard, then you're wrong. Because when you took birth, there was no one to teach you in English or in mother tongue. But now, suddenly you need someone to teach you how to speak in English. That's wrong. That's where most people got wrong. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you how to actually bring up your confidence to speak in English. So if you want to speak, you gotta watch this video till the end. So without getting much more delay, let's get started. In this video, I'm not only gonna give you hundreds of sentences, but give you the ground, which sentence word to use. That's the main thing in this video. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna speak those sentences with my original accent, obviously, which is American accent. You can copy my accent, my tone, my emotion, and finally the ground, which sentence word to use. That's the main thing. Again, I'm repeating. Don't try to translate anything from your mother tongue to English. That's the wrong thing everyone uses. And that's where we lag behind to speak in English, to think in English, and forget about being fluent in English. Now, what you're gonna do is listen every sentences carefully and then pause the video and try the sentences 3 to 4 times yourself so that you can copy the tone, copy the accent, and finally you'll learn. That's the way. Let's start with some daily routine sentences. So now you can stop this video and practice like this. I just woke up, I just woke up, I just woke up, I just woke up. Just like this, practice every day, every sentence. So let's start. I just woke up. I'm getting ready. I'm taking a bath. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm eating breakfast. I'm leaving for work. I'm leaving for school. I have reached home. I'm gonna sleep. Now we're gonna talking about some family sentences. Please clean the room. Turn off the lights. Close the door. Open the window. Don't make noise. Dinner is ready. I'm coming. Wait for me. Now we're gonna talk about some general conversation sentences. How are you? I'm fine. What are you doing? Nothing much. Where are you going? I'll be back soon. It's okay, no problem. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Now we're gonna talk about some phone conversation. Hello, can you hear me? Please speak slowly. I'll call you later. Call me back. I'm busy right now. Send me the details. I'll message you. Now we're gonna talk about some asking for help. Can you help me? I don't understand. Please repeat that. What does this mean? Can you explain it? Can you show me? Now we're gonna talking about some shopping sentences. How much does this cost? It is too expensive. Do you have a discount? I want to buy this. Show me something else. Do you accept card? Now we're gonna talking about some travel outside sentence. Where's the nearest ATM? How far is it? I need a taxi. Take me to this address. I'm new here. Please go straight. Stop here. Now we're gonna talking about some work or office sentences. I'm working on it. I'll finish it soon. Send me the file. I have a meeting today. Please give me a minute. I understand. I agree with you. Now we're gonna talking about some feelings. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm sad. I'm not feeling well. I'm excited. I'm worried. Now we're gonna talking about some learning English sentences. I'm learning English. Please correct me. I want to speak fluently. I'm improving every day. English is easy for me. So that's it for today's video. If you really love this content, my efforts, please hit the like button and subscribe for more of this type of video. So thanks for watching. Happy speaking.